in what seems like a clear case of cash being doled out to buy out votes before the municipal elections on the 25th of April in Bengal. A Congress leader has been caught on camera allegedly distributing money. Senior Congress leaders were campaigning for the English Bazaar candidate Naveen Das when one of the women standing in the crowd was given 1,000 rupees. The Congress leader who allegedly is at the center of this cash for votes saga is MP Abu Hashim Khan Chaudhary, brother of former Railways Minister Ghani Khan Chaudhary. TMC Minister Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary has promised to take up the issue officially with the Election Commission and file a formal complaint. Headlines today's Manogya Loiwal joins us with the latest on the story. Manogya, describe these pictures to our viewers. This old lady with a 1,000 rupee note in her hand. Describe to us what was happening.
Well, it all started when the Congress candidates are being campaigning in the English Bazaar ward, which is one of the most and prestigious wards for Congress. Remember, it has been an important fight versus Trinamool Congress, and during this, one of the MPs, which is Abu Hashim Khan Chaudhary, he was distributing, caught on camera distributing 1,000 rupee note to one of the old lady who was present there. The reason is unknown. He, however, has been denying that he wanted to help her because she was seeking some financial help. But even if that has happened, well, it is of course a complete violation of the Model Code of Conduct that is here in practice as far as the present elections are concerned. And with that, it is also a big question on how and why Trinamool Congress will be raising this issue. And with the Congress MP distributing the money, it is of course remains to be seen on at least storming into one of the biggest issues till 25th when the elections are scheduled to be held.
This indeed is strange. It's caught on camera, and these are pictures. Did Abu Chaudhary, Abu Khan Chaudhary didn't know that there were cameras around, or was he so brazen that irrespective of cameras capturing his campaign, covering his campaign, he openly takes out money and then his supporters, they give it to that old woman in this frame?
Well, that's the biggest question, and that's one of the reasons why, despite knowing that there were cameras around, even if he has been doing it in a practice, it of course raises a lot of eyebrows and questions on why such a practice has been in place. Is it one of those instances of cash for votes in Bengal, especially in a place where Congress has its own stronghold? It's a big fight for Trinamool Congress and Congress, where they have been poaching into each other's candidates as well as leaders regularly. And with this coming into foray, it only explains on what kind of elections you might expect in West Bengal. It's not just about Trinamool Congress or BJP, but the fact that they are resorting to any sort of measures for their own survival and, of course, strengthening and retaining their position in every possible way.
Manogya, you've also been speaking to Krishnendu Narayan Chaudhary of the Trinamool Congress. What does the TMC intend to do in this case? What have they done so far?
Well, they have lodged a formal complaint with the State Election Commissioner, and we've been told that even as we talk, a show cause notice will soon be sent to the leader to explain on why did he resort to such a practice. Forget about being recorded on camera, even if he has been doing so without any evidence. This is one of those evidence that will surely be used not only against Congress, but also the sitting MP who has been a crucial campaigner as far as this region is concerned. Remember, it's the bastion of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Congress has been very strong in this region. But the fact that there has been poaching of ministers and leaders in this region, there might be a reason for them to believe that they are resorting to such practices. And the State Election Commission, of course, will not take it lightly, especially given the fact that there has been tension during Kolkata Municipal Corporation election that we saw on 18th this month. You might expect a lot of more furor and ferocity as far as the 25th April election in these municipalities are concerned. Around 90 municipalities will go for votes on this day. And
yes,
with that, you expect a lot of action not only in Congress in Murshidabad, but also in other districts too.
And tell us more about what the Election Commission is saying about this. This footage has been given to them. Was this on media cameras? Were Election Commission teams also around the State Election Commission there at the English Bazaar?
Well, Well, we've been told that the observers have been informed by the rival faction and these copies will also be sent to them and they will be taking cognizance of it, and given the fact that they are not taking it lightly, you might expect a show cause notice being sent to them. We are also being confirmed that there will be action taken and the State Election Commission, however, will not take it lightly. Remember, it's not just about the ruling front or the opposition, but the fact that the Model Code of Conduct has been violated, and presently the highest authority to take any action in the state is the State Election Commission, at least till 28th of this month, till the time the election and the results are all done away with.